And Kevin, what you going to do when Beenie Man and Vybz Cartel link?
Hey, Batty boy, Nika fire. Let me ask you a question. How will gas you?
Oh, me tell you something, like what Kanye West said. He said if he's a fan of me, he's a fan of yourself.
I always realize that everything about Vybz Cartel you take on your head. So you move like Shorty and see them in a one.
Go suck your mother, Nika fire.
You know look manly, brother.
I hope Foota hype now they are try lead on a competition with Beenie Man and Vybz Cartel. With money business, you know. I talk about G-Wagon and vehicle.
You know, you come like Beenie, I ship down a vehicle from every different region. So it look like Beenie I got drop a car from Canada, drop one from Europe.
So as you know, dancehall artists them are gonna compete, however them are gonna compete. You know it, whether the music or whether it comes to the lifestyle. So we see where Vybz Cartel by himself a brand new G-Wagon G63 AMG style. And also we see him buy a brand new house again, a brand new mansion in Florida there. But you know, we're talking about the competitiveness of dancehall because that is what dancehall is all about. So we see where Vybz Cartel buy himself a G-Wagon, and then also we see where Beenie Man bought himself a G-Wagon also. But this time this G-Wagon dropped a Jamaica. So Vybz Cartel won their foreign and Beenie Man won their Jamaica. So you guys let me know in the comment section what you think about that with one day yarn and one day foreign. The artists, they must show the lifestyle and they must show them money, so the money they on the top of the mountain, the money the sky high, sky level. So, you know, we have some clippings we want to talk about and we want to play some of them and talk about them also because we see where Kevin run out and we see where Foota hype also run out as well. I talk about the same G-Wagon thing, and what I want to say is that dancehall is this thing where it merely doesn't really matter much about the music, but mostly about the artism lifestyle. Because, you know, we as fans most time, not me though, but most fans always like to see when the artists them are flaunt them lifestyle, them luxurious cars and them houses and so forth. So, want to play some clippings and want to talk about some of them. So, stay tuned. Don't move a muscle. Oh, and let me say, welcome back to another episode of Vybz and Inside with Nando. You know it's Sebastian Nando and I Billing with another episode, another vlog. Mad. So yeah, my people, I have these clippings here with me, with Beenie Man showing off and showcasing his G-Wagon down in Jamaica on his home ground and so forth. So you guys watch these clippings, and also Foota hype is in this clipping talking about Beenie Man draw for the red interior, and you know him draw for a red interior vehicle also. But I don't know what vehicle Foota hype is driving, but he's in a vehicle driving with a red interior, but he's saying Beenie Man draw for a red interior and him draw for a red interior. Also, I don't know if it's a G-Wagon also, but you guys watch these clippings and tell me what you guys think.
One thing.
Plastic man, sick.
Yo, when you see Beenie go for the red interior, right? So I have a job back for my red interior, right? I want to feel like a chattings. You be a arena turn up in a set there. Red interior, red guts. I want to see so Beenie go red cut. So we go red cut. I want to some one vehicle boy. I want to know. How long will you not see this? How long will you not see me going to the red cuts? Never styler. Yeah.
Yeah, my people, a Foota hype that I brag about a next man car, you know. And then at the same time, I talk about film, red interior and stuff. But what I want to say is that, boy, our dancehall artists, them love brag and show off about vanity more time and material things. Because, you know, they like to show it off on social media so people can criticize or critique or say whatever they want to say as it pertains to them and them luxurious life. But them love brag and show off about vanity. And you know what's the saying about vanity? Vanity is a vexation of your soul. So Me don't know, but uno let me know on the thing in the comment section about that. But I also have another clippings with Foota hype. I say something else about the whole G-Wagon argument with Vybz Cartel and Beenie Man. So listening people.
You can't worry about Beenie Man, man. Beenie Man, alright. You know, say a G-Wagon Beenie Man drop a Jamaica today. You know, hear the muffler kick like one of them calico rifle. They will go. How about the blood? Huh? You see how a Beenie Man drop? You see a Jamaican license plate there on the van? You see I run a standpipe the van there? Eh? You think say a normal money for drop G-Wagon? I wonder if you know say the uncle thing bigger than a G-Wagon is a Rolls Royce. That G-Wagon the uncle thing bigger than it is a Rolls Royce, you know? And like me, we rent G-Wagon and rent Rolls Royce and them something offering a Jamaica that. For that reach down there and have a Jamaica license plate and plastic a tear off. Yeah, but Bentley, you can get all some Bentley for 80 grand and them something the G-Wagon they are normal money for it. Plus, it have to ship a Jamaica and clear. People do not get it twisted. Beenie God. Remember I just drop a Maserati from England. You know, you come like Beenie, I ship down a vehicle from every different region. So it look like Beenie I got drop a car from Canada, drop one from Europe. Cause remember the Maserati are from England and the G-Wagon are from America. I remember him have the Benz before that, you know. The big Benz, the white one. Beenie a God. Beenie a God. Today, all who want to talk what they want to, Beenie win with that G-Wagon there today. And in America that there, and in England it there, and Jamaica. When you go do the maths. Go do the maths there. And in a used vehicle that plastic a tear off caliper, plastic a come off a caliper, every. Beenie, you win today here, sir. You know, she say, two old Beenie go riches. Me have to go riches too. And show me red interior for my car. You know how long me not show you that car there? And when me see that, me say today, me say, Allah, you tell. What am I say, Shabba? Red interior? Alright, whoop. Pull up. Pull up and say, I want two now. Red interior too. And me and Beenie start the show Saturday now. So from Beenie go red interior, me have to go red interior. I want him here. I'm the viral king and the dancehall king. Suckwood Sonny the Kid. Me not even a black here, Sonny the Kid. Me a talk about my car with red interior. And the DJ will book me car with red interior. Yeah. Me a talk about me and Beenie car. Who is you? Who is you, brother? These are the problem we have with you. You love say me a talk about people think me a talk about my car and the DJ will book me for him big show car. Who is you? Me a talk about my car with the red interior. Not the Benz, you know. Come on, you say me now no car, me no live nowhere. Not the Benz. Let me show you what here. My car with the red interior. And being a G-Wagon with the red. You notice me now say the G-Wagon of mine? Me never say my one. Me never say my one, you know. Me say because Beenie have the G-Wagon with the red interior, me go pull out my car with the red interior. Me never say me go pull out Beenie car, Batman, Suckwood boy. Cause you must fuck man. You have to be a Batman. And must man you come over here come look. Why you defend? You don't even pull out a red umbrella. You don't even pull out a red socks. Me pull out a red interior car, Beenie pull out a red interior van. You come over here with a red interior tongue. Your period mouth you come and talk out. Go suck your mother, man. Me a talk about me and the DJ we book Foota hype. We a talk about our vehicle them. Go suck out all of your man mother them, my youth. Tired of you now, man. Go suck out your man mother. That me I tell you. Me I talk about my own things. And my DJ friend things. Nobody where you come over here defend, you don't know, them don't know you. Me I talk about myself, Mr. Batty man. Me I talk about myself. And my car with red interior. And Beenie car with red interior. You could have ever won a good crepe. Bumbuckler. Suck out your man, mother them man. I want to tell you. Juba, where are you dealing? Remember when you say me now have nothing, I mean, I live nowhere, I mean, but me can still pull out Vic, and me can pop off title to and show them. Hold on. On the way there. True, me not too wanting in my business, you know. But you don't chat too much. Remember what day? The little boy was saying get him back and play with and him love it. Trick or no. I'm telling about him buy Benz. And when well attack me. Zine? Say, oh, who have Benz and who have nothing. And I tell them, say, they pop out one of them here. One of them here in America. Real title, not lean. Not payment lean title. Straight. Come here, straight nation. And this is not the Benz. Look good. This is not the Benz and this is not the Camry. Look good. Different something this. I don't know, one of them like that, more than one. Enough of the people them want to say own things. And when they start chase with people, ask them for sure even one of them here. Tell them for sure even one of them here. One complete title. Title. Me not talk payment receipt. Title. Enough of them will say they want a house and they want car and all of these things. Tell them sure a title.
Yeah, my people saw Foota that I talk about the whole crediting thing, you know, say artists or anybody can credit or scare whatsoever. But you have to show the title for sure so you have full ownership of it, because when you don't have a title, it just shows that once you miss a payment or once you stop pay for it, the government or whoever you buy it from, them are going to come take it back from your dealer, government, the bank, whoever you buy it from. So that's what he's saying. But now one of the clippings just saw with One Kevin and Nico Fire going at it about something with Vybz Cartel, you know, because One Kevin is all over the media. Lately, me I wonder how all of a sudden Vybz Cartel come from jail and One Kevin dip on the media. We never know this One Kevin from nowhere until Vybz Cartel come from jail, and he's been all over the media shouting and screaming and doing all sort of madness over social media, defending Vybz Cartel. And I guess Nico Fire had mentioned that he's acting as if he's acting like a fanatic, and One Kevin take offense of it. So I'm gonna play a clippings with Nico Fire and Kevin, and you guys can listen it and tell me and share your thoughts in the comment section what you think about the two, because the both of them are Gaza fan, but it's so funny the two of them are war with them one another. Jaja.
And Kevin, what you going to do when Beenie Man and Vybz Cartel link?
Hey, Batty boy, Nico Fire. Let me ask you a question. How I guess you?
I always realize that everything about Vybz Cartel you take on your head. So you move like shorty and see them in a one.
Go suck your mother, Nico Fire.
You know look manly, brother.
Look how long you see me I do what me I do for Gaza.
You know look manly. You move like a fanatic, and more you look up the meaning for that word there.
Me if you go look up the word fanatic, for what?
You move like a cartel fanatic.
Eh?
Because me not obvious a Gaza fan, you know.
I represent Gaza. You, they all over the place. You bunks all over the place.
Me obvious a fanatic for Vybz Cartel.
Pussy, you ever hear me out there so ask Gaza for work? Eh? You not see me just come out there so and represent Gaza.
Ease up.
People, the two man them are grown man, but the way how the man them act people, the man them act like them are some little boy. Man a scream out pan phone, you know, man a scream out pan, and man a go at it with them one another. So them man are emotional. They're more emotional than a girl to blow out people. But when you tell me anything about them and that same situation. So we have Kartel here, people, with him, you know, him G-Wagon, and him a show off him lifestyle, him luxury lifestyle, and him house and things. So look on the video, people, and tell me what you think.
Yeah. You know it go. Remember when I cap. I'm one house. I have to grab our next one. Yeah! That's that. Yeah, man. Remember we not cap. Yeah, man. Houses. Very boss program. Don't worry about it, man. Too easy.
Yeah, my people, a Vybz Cartel let us show off him lifestyle. You know him luxury car and him mansion. Him say him cap 2 house. Him buy one and then buy one more and then you know him buy a luxury G-Wagon. So, me have him here so with a message for him fans them out there. He must say as if you're a follower of him or if you're a fan of him, then you're supposed to take what him show you and him do on social media or a showcase as motivation. So listen to this and tell me what you think if him right by what him say people.
Me tell you something, like what Kanye West said. He said if he's a fan of me, he's a fan of yourself. Because the motivation when you see me push, it's supposed to reach you. And you want to reciprocate that to the universe. Remember, God is the greatest. Seek purpose and abundance. 8 won't get you far. Big up Jason and big up Scatter. Team Grinch, motherfucker.
So yeah, my people, that is Vybz Cartel with a message. And also we have Popcaan here so with a message as it pertains to the state of the Jamaican culture with the youths them and the man them were abused and the ladies and the babies them, you know, the other day the little 9-year-old girl, she was raped and murdered. And also we see a video with a nurse with him, a man a step up in her head, but it was stated that the man that was stepping up in the nurse head is a businessman, but he's currently behind bars and held without bail, which is a good thing. But again, it's stated that he's held without bail because of the safety of his life, but at the same time they didn't, I don't know, it's like them not care about the lady life, but it's saying because it's the fear of him getting armed when him come out on the road, that's why them all on him. So listen to what Popcaan say, him have a strong message, and I don't know, wanna listen to it and tell me when you think where it come from, where it stem from, if him message have any merit to it or it's valuable. So listen and hear what Popcaan say, people.
My name is Andrew Sutherland, aka Popcaan. I'm the boss. Whichever name you choose. But this morning we fought for raise awareness on something while we are in Jamaica from where they were. You know, I don't really like it. I don't like the direction enough things are going there, see me? And especially about the raping and everything, them and all that. 9-year-old girl and a killer and everything. You know, you feel like we have to pay more attention to these things, you know. Like, if we have more dialogue with each other in the community then, so we can protect the kids them more, you know. Even the adult them, because you see a man walking a nurse head and then something like, me go apply for license gun, then I give me a license gun. I may own so much property at Jamaica. But them so-called upstanding citizens where them have a tapping a nurse head, a walking a nurse head, and a abuse a nurse way, is also here to look after the people and the kids then, you know. So just I'm not gonna know this, the nation, the need for be more serious about them situation and eradicate these rapers in our society and in our surrounding, you know, like pests.
So yeah, my people, Popcaan shed some light on the culture, you know, the whole Jamaica, you know, because over the years we've seen it, you know. There's been a lot of violence as it pertains to the woman them and the girl pitney them, who pitney in general. But, you know, I think I've seen Popcaan made a comment like this before. A couple of years back, I seen put out a video similar like this, and he was speaking about these same incidents. So it's safe to say that history continuously repeat itself, because the man them just abuse the woman them and grape them off and the pitting them and so forth. So it's like you have to wonder when it all stop, if it never ever stop, because me seeing Popcaan doing this, me can remember back again when I see him do a video like this, and also made a song about the whole thing we are going. So he's saying that, you know, the grape man them and the man them will have the one bag of authorities who, like the businessman, will step up in their nurse head and support him and say, yo, the system for burn them out and You know, the government for need to do something as it pertains to that situation. But, you know, I just say it still, we just have to hope and pray and fight the fight most time. But on to the other topic, people. So people, Richie feeling they start talk about things. I say, yo, the man and the woman them in Jamaica is like nobody no want to work anymore. Everybody want to take on the social media thing, or they want to do this TikTok live and say tap up the screen and chat, snipe and this and that. So he's saying that nobody no want to work again. What happened to the future of the children them of tomorrow? So listen to him, Richie feelings as a people, because we can definitely agree with some of the pointers them with the way I say, because when you check it out, social media alone can't really cut this thing, because if nobody no want to work again, how the economic are going to grow, how, you know, how we are going to manage in our future. So listen to where Richie feelings as a people.
You know what I mean? I swear to you, because I look on the internet and I tell you, I follow them people here. And every second when I turn around at them, I see. At them, I see. The licky mentality take over the whole place. Because nobody no want to go work again. Everybody want to on TikTok a beg. Everybody want to on TikTok a beg. Nobody no want to deal with school again. Hey boy, stop follow up my life now, my youth. Nobody no want to go out there 9 to 5 again. Big up all who have your 9 to 5 and I hold it down. But young people no want to go work. Everybody have TikTok attack, but them want to play a match. Or some old girl go up on TikTok, but them want to play a match. Some long time big woman attack, but come and go play a match. All your age, man. You have to do on TikTok, boy, you play a match, man. And me I tell you, say, when I go say, man, I look on this thing here. I see one whole family they on it, everybody I beg. I see black hands, cool hands, your red hands, biting hands, your all kind of hands I see over TikTok I beg. Be a skit and be a prank and be a things people. Be a bring down. Be a bring down I say I go on over that something. I remember, you know, I never get on it at YouTube, me I look on, you know, and see the thing them, because I remember me have TikTok, but I follow up TikTok. I tell you the truth, it not look good. See, it not look good. For example, now I said, so a woman over there, so she name Annie, I wish she want name. I don't know the woman from nowhere. But every minute I see the woman from my timeline. See? Remember now, you know, I see that woman come on and say she there with a man named TikTok Police. See? And I said to the woman, I see that the woman they say she in a things with the man. Then another day, me hear the woman come out and say, yo, the man now have no toilet for shit. See? And the man now have no water for bathe. And she bring down the man to the ground, and then the next day she say she love him and she miss him and she go back up and stay in the yard. But she say now have no toilet for shit. And no toilet and no bathroom for wash up. And me I say then, if you bring down this man the day before, oh, the next day, you know, you say you're missing my yard, go down there. And then when me look Mother's Day, I she and the man me see in a pool. And me I say, so half you planting this. Because him come on one day, come ball high water. How them people high water on the internet can come so quick. Everybody cry and be, I'm telling say high water come like lie water, you know. Because the people them really want help, you know, see them. Remember, say that woman come on the internet and say, yo, she not on the door on her house. When me look, remember, say she have a daughter now, named Anna. Anna have one picnic and them say Anna give one man a jacket. And me I said, John was star. What kind of series this may I watch? What kind of series this may I watch? Come like a young and the rest were left this may I watch. Like Sancho, the Hourglass, so are the days of our life. See, Mr. Blackburn son pan Royal Palm Estate. Yo, me I watch too much series in a one. When me look, me see Jaden in the mix. Jaden say I keep court with them and I bring them together. When me look, me see Anna daughter or Annie daughter, where them want name. When me look, me see one little girl, one little girl come. Jaden say him and her there. Him and her in a thing, she gone at Jaden yard. And me I said, John was star. And what is parents, you must break the generational curse and set foundation for your youth certain way where Or when you go catch man and feed them, them not supposed to come back and catch man and feed you. And me I look and I say, then there's some young people, them here, none of them people are not all, you know. One of 18 or 22. I remember everybody there on the internet and I begging, the whole family are begging at me. I said, John was star. And me I say, John was star. Society, they go down on one roadway. I'm afraid nowadays if you even come on and come talk. Because so much things that if you talk about, but I'm afraid. Because as you start talk, I remember I now follow up comment section, you know, because a whole heap of people follow comment section and fuck up themselves. Because I'm telling you something. Everybody in the comment are going to say a true you talk. When you come out and a rant and a bonfire. But yes, so anytime you catch a problem, you are alone in a blood clot problem there, you hear? You are alone in that problem there. May I tell you, you are alone in that problem there. So much things are going on with me. I tell you, say, yo, little bit of man left boy with balls. Little bit of man left boy with balls. Most of the man them lose them balls. Them not have no balls. Come Shang, wagwan. Man them balls gone. Me don't know who take out them balls, but the man them balls gone. Man nah be man again. Me don't know when it change, but me I tell you, me nah go blame TikTok alone. Me don't know when it change, but it change. But it change, brother. Go in a party. And when I go to Bama, I go in a party. You know, see no girl a wine pan no man again. What go on there? Me no see no girl a wine and a back it up pan no man again, right? When you see them thing they in a dance now, you have to say, whoa! Jesus Christ, look there. A girl a wine pan a man. Because them thing they gone already days 10 years ago, you used to see diamond them a chuck pan man a hold them and Marvin a dagger them and the girl say, oh Marvin a rough up the girl them. Not even that you see. Not even that you see. Me say me go one party one night down at Jamaica. And when me go to the party, and go to Bama and then me over one part stay so, and some man over one part stay so, and some girl, 2 girl dancing at the party. When me say 2 girl, me I say them a girl and no regular girl. The girl them just come out and say them a enter dancing down the might and I look donation. The girl them have one pan. The girl them have one pan. Me have to put a money in that pan because of them alone a dance. No more girl na dance. Gone with the days they used to say, what the girl them they roll out, run out. Have be a gun girl, see them. Be a gun girl. No broke out now. Go when me do people in a life, me I look on it and I say, yo, everywhere just get fucked up. Every time you see a dancing on the internet, see that. Everybody a dig. Want his skin out and they broke out. Who like dance them who used to go and turn dolly to pussy? Yo, John was star. It wicked boy, yeah. So it's like people just go dance now for sure you see them have on clothes. You play all 2 soul song. You used to say, man, anytime you see them something now, you have to go to some big people party. Because the party them nowadays, me I tell us, me a selector. Remember, me a selector. Father Craig. Me a selector, yo. And me I tell us, it no look good. It no look good. I mean, nah, blame Chronicler. And Chronicler caused this. Chronicler no caused this. Remember, say Spice have still a do fuck song and skin out song. Spice still a do them song there. But when the song them a play, the girl them nah dance. The party them full same way, but I be a promoter. Fire Kid, they you know selector and promoter man, you know man, tell the truth, man. It's like when you get a party nowadays, I say the party nice, like play a Rhode Island what when I play a Rhode Island. And I see how the people them a dance and I go on and the people them enjoy themselves. It was a mixed crowd, Jamaican mix with Yankee and thing, white people, all type of people. Me I tell you the truth, the party nice. You understand? Because them a blame money pull up, what no money pull up. You hear the people them a go say, man, say if you want to know if a man love man, if you want to know if a man love man, make a selector play in a dance and see a man who him know have money. Or him see a hype man. And me see it and me I say, John was there, you know, say, them a call enough for the selector them batty man for show. Because them now big up the girl them hard in a dance. As them see a man who have a piece of money, then call the man name all night. And I tell the man if he make a walk. Make a walk. One time I used to hear, walk out, my girl, walk out. Now you hear, make a walk, my general, make a walk. Bumbuckler. Boy, you're rough. The thing change. The girl them used to make the walk. But I man them I make the walk, you know. Bumbuckler. What we are going to do? I can tell a man this. Any party where me play upon, I'm going to love it. Because me I play for everybody. Me I play for everybody and I love when woman a dance. Remember say without woman in a party it can't nice. And remember say the woman them turn dolly and get stiff. Because guess what now, most of them do them body and can't whine like how them used to whine again. Them can't broke out and skin out like how them used to go on. Girl them now drop bluff like breadfruit a ground again. The girl them now do them something there again. See? Because if I select at the pan the mic and I call man name more than girl name, the people them have all right to say that. The people them have all right to say that. Them have all right to say that. Because we are the cast. We are the cast and we control the thing. But when the girl them, because remember me understand so now when the girl them do them body is a business. You see me? It's a business. But remember say we're not supposed to stop doing the dancing. I don't have to roll on the ground every night, but you have to do look dancing. And remember say that make the man them want to get on the internet. Like, you know, the man that they will do no phone go turn in a dolly and then can remember, you know. Watch how the girl them stay. You know, remember say it's a maintenance where you have to have, once you turn a dolly, you have to have money for do your ear. Every week or 2 times for the week you have to change the ear.
Yeah, man, my people, so you know, as the Richie Feelings are saying, TikTok becomes the new millennium, you know, for the youths, them, and even older folks too, because you see, it are the new popping trend right now, where everybody are run towards TikTok for make the money, for make the local earnings, because definitely, you know, TikTok pay out a lot, you know, and TikTok is a job for a lot of people, and as I would say, yo, we are in a social media world, we are in a technological world, where, you know, vlogging, live streaming, playing on the TikTok and so forth, even the YouTube, all of these major platforms that you see, they get paid out. The content creators, all of them, they get paid out who do prank and so forth. Even me right now vlogging, we all get paid. But you know, I do this for a spare time because you know me have my other side hustle and my other job. So this is just a spare time job also, but it still pays. But as I said, we're in a new millennium, but you know, some of the time we just have to get with the time, but at the same time, you know, I agree with what I said, like enough people don't want to go to school anymore. And enough people don't want education and so forth. It's kind of rough for the economy and the generation as time goes by. But you know, we just have to adapt and adjust to every little thing, because as the generation shifts, we all know that we have to adjust and adapt. So it's just a part of life and a way of life, or life operates. You just have to adapt with the time and know. So yo, I just say go, but I agree with most of the points of myself, but you know, people, I vlog, you know, our vibes and inside with another one. Let me know what you guys think about this vlog. And on the way out, make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and hit that post notification bell. You know it, go already, man. I'm a thing. I'm out. Peace.